Hey guys, this is Inventordude 14 and here's my PC build. So up front here you see the DVD drive, cooler master case obviously, USB 3.0 to 2.0, audio headers. Slide this off. And here are the insides. So here is the power supply. Got this for free. This whole build actually totaled to about $300, so it's a pretty good budget build actually. This was free because it came from computer. This I had to pay for, obviously. First I had to pay for. You can see it's quite a jumble of cables. I add this fan from another computer. That's the motherboard in there. I'm not sure if you can see it really. 4 GB of Kingston RAM in there. Has a WD Blue 500 GB hard drive, SATA connection, and another ventilating fan right here. Came with a case. In the future, if I get more money, if I save some money, I might switch this to Blu-ray, because I built this to be more of a media-oriented PC for gaming and watching movies and things. Here's the back ports, all the audio headers, optical audio, Ethernet, USBs, SATA I believe, HDMI, that's how I hook it to my TV, VGA, DVI, 2 more USBs, and a PS2 port for mouse or older keyboards. And here's the double slot expansion port in case I want to put a good size, more powerful GPU in later.